Hi everyone, it's story time with Ms.Sansan. How to make an apple pie and see the world by Marjorie Priceman. Making an apple pie is really very easy. First, get all the ingredients at the market, mix them well, bake, and serve. Unless, of course, the market is closed. In that case, go home and pack a suitcase. Take your shopping list and some walking shoes. Then, catch a steamship bound for Europe. Use the 6 days on board to brush up on your Italian. If you time it right, you'll arrive in Italy at harvest time. Find a farm and gather some wheat. An armful or two will do. Then hop a train to France and find a chicken. French chickens lay elegant eggs, and you want only the best ingredients for your apple pie. Get to Sri Lanka any way you can. The best cinnamon in the world is made there. Find a kurudu tree and peel the bark.
If a leopard is milking,
make sure to be quiet. Hitch a ride to England and look for an English cow. Better bring the whole cow with you for the freshest possible results. Stow away on the banana boat headed home to Jamaica. On your way there, you can fill a jar with salty sea water. When the boat docks in Jamaica, go into the fields and cut a few stalks of sugarcane. Better fly home. You don't want the ingredients to spoil. Wait, aren't you forgetting something? How about the apples? In Vermont, you can pick 8 rosy apples. Give 1 to the chicken, 1 to the cow. Eat 1 yourself. That leaves 5 for the apple pie. Then hurry home. Now all you have to do is to meal the wheat into flour, grind the kurudu bark into cinnamon, evaporate the seawater from the salt, boil the sugar cane, persuade the chicken to lay an egg, milk the cow and churn the milk into butter, slice the apples, mix the ingredients and bake the pie. While the pie is cooling, invite some friends to come over to share it with you. Remember that apple pie is delicious, topped with vanilla ice cream, which you can get at the market. But if the market happens to be closed, you can eat it plain. That's the end of how to make an apple pie and see the world. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.